CEO First Solar, Mark Widmar, his meeting with Prime Minister Modi.
Yes,
So
indeed.
that's the third
First
engagement of
Solar
the day.
is one of the large solar companies. As we know that India has made a huge push for renewable energy with a target of 450 gigawatts of renewable by 2030. And Mark Widmar is the CEO of First Solar, which is the largest company in the United States dealing with photovoltaic cells and panels, solar panels as we call them. In fact, this company had set up about 17 gigawatts globally of solar photovoltaic, the cells, the panels. And we can see obviously a huge potential for India, for investments in India, because India, as we know, is sun-bathed. Of course, this year we had a lot of rain, but otherwise it's normally sun-bathed, and we can see the potential of solar within our country and the chances of this investment going further, because India, of course, is, as we know, the International Solar Alliance is India's idea and contribution to the world. And we know that this company, First Solar, is headquartered in Arizona, in Temple, Arizona, which is a desert. So they know a little bit about heat.
And as we say with these visuals, and Gautam, I think, is also with us live from Washington, D.C. India is making huge steps, Gautam, gigantic steps in the use of solar power to meet its energy needs. And in that sense of term, the meeting that is currently underway with Mark Widmar is very, very important, as First Solar is a leading global provider. Gautam, if you're there, if you could hear us, explain to our viewers the significance of this meeting. Global provider of the comprehensive photovoltaic solar solutions. Perhaps Gautam can explain that a bit, which has actually used its advanced module and system technology. Gautam. So very critical and important and significant in terms of India's energy requirements, energy needs, and in that space converging with First Solar. Mark.
Indeed. So
do we have Gautam with us?
Worked a lot on already.
Already.
We have a lot of potential that is being exploited in terms of generating solar power. We've seen how that has been appreciated in terms of the kind of targets that we've set, our own self-declared goals for renewable energy. Now the goal, of course, to 2030 is to have 450 gigawatts of renewable energy, and a lot of that will be solar, for which we also have the International Solar Alliance, which